I can't have you, no one should ever. Gotta make you mine. Got the best idea. It's the business. How I get here. I make you mine.
You do not know how to draw your brows? This is the easiest method ever. Hi loves, it's Precious. If you are new here, I create beauty tutorials to help beginners level up their makeup. These are the 4 things we need to draw our eyebrow to get that fresh eyebrows. A powder palette, styling glue for eyebrow, and the brush, our pen, and this to remove extra oil from our eyebrows. Let's get into it. I got this eyebrow styling glue from AliExpress. It's under €2. It's very affordable. It's good. You can use any eyebrow glue you have. Me, I'm going with this one. Of course, we are going to pop it out. Then you go like this. Brush upwards. To make sure everything spread together. Can you see that? Is it not giving already carved? The next thing, we want our eyebrow to be flat and laid, just like this, and you can actually slide down your eyebrows like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing now. You see, this is the side I have already done, and this is the side that I haven't done. Can you see a big difference? Can you see that? It has a very, very big difference. This side is well laid, and this side I haven't laid it. This is the difference. Then you will repeat the same thing with the other side. You are going to repeat the exact step we did with the first one to give us that arc. Can you see it? Can you see the both side? We don't need to do much. This is it. The next step is to take our foundation to get rid of those excess oil we have in our forehead and on our brows. So you will go in with your exact shade. I will be going with my exact shade, and please just start the excess, then you pat into it. This is it. You see, those oils we have here and here is no longer more except here, so we have to also repeat if we want. You have to take your eyebrow pencil, you will sharpen it. We need it to be sharpened. Mine is already sharp, so all I have to do now is to cover up those spaces that there is no hair. So we draw a stroke lines very, very tiny, okay? We do not want anything to be so obvious, of course. So you gentle, you see? Can you see? This place is already filled up, and there are still a lot of hairs that is missing, so we have to drop. When doing this, please be gentle. Don't hold it like you want to write. No, be gentle, okay? This is it, and now you can add your concealer to it. So I have mixed my concealer because my concealer is not my shade, so I have mixed it to get my exact shade. You do this side on this side, then clean off the excess, okay? At this time, we are cleaning off the excess, okay? And this is how easy it is. Simple, clean, and beginner friendly.